So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will try to print this pattern in Python. So for printing this pattern, first we have to know how many rows in this pattern. So let's count. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have 5 rows. So if you have not accessed this playlist, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So first, I will declare a variable in which I will store 5. And then we have to start a for loop to print this pattern. So I will write here for. But before that, I have commented here loop through 1 2 rows. And then I will print here, or can say right here, for I in range starting from 1 to goes to rows plus 1. So this loop will start from 1 and goes till 5. Means for this loop will run for 5 iterations. And then we have to print spaces on the left to the center, the stars. Means we have to print these spaces to center the star. So for that, I will write here print. So here, this means nothing, means spaces. So this spaces get multiplied by rows minus I. So here we have declared rows equals to 5. So here rows will be equals to 5, and for the first iteration I will be 1. So rows means 5 and I here is 1. So 5 minus 4, 1 equals to 4. So first this will print 4 spaces for the first iteration. So let's check here. So here I am clicking on the space button. So for 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is correct. Means we have to click 4 times the space button to center this pattern. And then we have printed a star. So for the first iteration, the I will be 1. So 2 into 1 means 2 and then minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So this line from star to here, this will print this 1 star here. And for the second iteration, our I will become 2. So the rows will be same as we have declared it 5. So here for the second iteration, 5 minus 2 will be 3. So 3 spaces get printed here. So let's check. So 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 spaces. So 3 spaces gets printed, and then a star. We have to print a star. So for that, 2 into I. So for the second iteration, I will be 2. So here 2 get multiplied by 2, that will be equals to 3, 4. And then it get subtracted 1. So will become 3. So this will print 3 stars. So for the third iteration, I will become 3 and this get subtracted from the rows. So this will become 2 and will print 2 spaces, 1, 2 and then a star. So star get multiplied by 3. So this will become 6, and subtracted 1, so this will become 5. So we'll print 5 stars. So this will go till the last iteration and will print this pattern. So also I have commented here explanation. You can also read this explanation. Rows equals to 5. So we have taken 5 in rows. So this will set the number of levels in the pyramid. And then we have started a for loop. So for each row I from 1 to 5. So next we have to print stars. So rows minus I will print decreasing spaces to the center the stars as I have explained, and then this will print stars in the increasing order of stars. So the first this will print 1 star, then 3, then 5, then 7 and 9, and this will give this pattern in Python. So let's run it again and then we'll close the video. So here you can see this pattern gets printed here. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and you can also check the playlist of this program on star patterns series. The link is in the description. So thanks for watching.